Hello, and thank you for joining us for a web.com video tutorial. This guide focuses on our websites using the WordPress platform. In this video, I will be going over member signups and management with the Paid Memberships Pro WordPress plugin. The easiest way to discuss this is to show the full signup process. First, we need to go to a sign-up page that uses the plugin to see the current membership levels, which I reviewed in another video. From the home page, I will go to our sign-up page, which I've added to the navigation bar here. On this page, you can see there are 3 levels that are set up with different membership options. I will set up a trial account, which is free, but expires in 1 month. So I'll press select. This page will contain my membership level description, the name of the level, the price, and expiration dates again. So I'll fill these fields out and sign up. After the sign up process, when I click submit and confirm, an email will be sent to me containing details of my sign up as a receipt, and I'll include an example of the screenshot next. Once the user is created, you can see the user and manage them directly within the WordPress dashboard under Paid Memberships Pro. You can get here from Membership and Members, or from the dashboard by clicking Members tab at the top of the page. Now, it is noteworthy to mention that when a user is created, the plugin actually makes them a WordPress user. However, the user is a limited level and are listed as a subscriber. So this means you can manually create a Paid Memberships Pro user from within the WordPress dashboard if you have the ability to create new users. If you have access to do this, you would go through Users, Add New, and assign them the role of subscriber. The user can then be assigned a membership level under the Modify section at the bottom of the user area. Then click Update User to save the changes. Now, in the Members section of the dashboard, you'll see the user's details. Each of these users can be modified with the Edit option. To update a user here, just click the username, which takes you to the user area of the dashboard I showed earlier. To disable a user, here you can choose to reduce their current level to none, revoke their status, change it, or set the status to expire at a certain date. And that is how you manage members with the Paid Memberships Pro WordPress plugin. To learn more about Paid Memberships Pro levels, watch my other tutorial video. Thank you for watching our video guide for WordPress websites. We hope you enjoy the rest of our videos. Check back later for future tutorials.